Here's my new CHEFMAN air fryer that I purchased. I've used it a couple times already. Definitely like it. Does a great job. Holds plenty for me. It's built well. I know some people said about smell. I mean, I cleaned mine real good before I used it. And I ran it on just the air cycle for a while just to blow it clean inside. But overall, I really like it. Mechanical timer. Got your thermostat. Overall, I recommend it if you want to get into air frying.
Just stop. I'm gonna look inside. Open up. Oh, look at that. Boom.